Good morning children, this is Tripti ma'am here. Children, a lot of handwriting practice has already been given to you from last 2 months. Now keeps on practicing, right? There are some small mistakes which are mostly done by the students. And number one, small letters touching bottom line, right? And number two, small letters touching top line. And third, the cursive way of doing handwriting practice. Not only handwriting practice, when you are doing your classwork, either it is in EVS or in mathematics or in English. So children, till now whatever I supplied you was printed material, as it is a virtual training of handwriting. So I took everything from net. Now today I am giving you a short tutorial. It is handwritten, right? And these are some mistakes that I found, and very first you keep it in mind that your pencil should be properly sharpened, okay? And you should keep an eraser or an sharpener, an eraser and a sharpener with you. And if you are writing with pen, don't use whitener, only cut the wrongly written word by making a single cut like this and write after that. Now see here, letters that touch, T-O-U-C-H, T-O-U-C-H, letters that touch the last line. See here children, F, F, Y, G, P, J, Q. These are some letters who touch the last line in small letters. See here, if we are writing F, you will not write F like this and just keep it here. No, this is wrong. How you will write? Go up, come down, touch the last line and a tail. Why? See why? Go up, touch the middle line, come down, go up, come down, touch the last line and a tail. Now CG. Put your pencil here, go up, make a half circle, come down, go up, come down, touch the last line and the tail. So like this, you will write P, J, Q. Now, look here, letters that touch the top line. But there are some two letters who also touch top line and bottom line. Top line and bottom line. So while writing these two letters, you will keep this in mind that this letter will touch top line also and bottom line also. Top line also and bottom line also. And B, D, J, H, K, L, T, these letters only touch top line in small writing. B, see here. Put your pencil here, go up, touch the top line, come down, make a half circle and a tail. See here, put your pencil here, go up, make a half circle, touch the middle line, come down, go up, touch the top line, come down, touch the middle line and a tail. See here, go up, touch the top line, come down, make a half circle, come down, touch the middle line and a tail. So like this children, you will write K, L and T and all the letters, and keeps on practicing. Right? Bye bye.